Selling services on Weebly is simple and allows you to showcase your offerings and accept payments online. Here's how to add and sell services on Weebly. Log into Weebly. Go to Weebly.com and log into your account. Open your website editor. From the Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Add the service page. Navigate to the Pages section and click Add Page. Select Standard Page or Store depending on how you want to display services. For a service-oriented page, a standard page works well. Name it and click Done. Add service details. On your service page, use a text element to describe each service you offer. Include details like pricing, features, and benefits. You can also use image or gallery elements to display images related to your services. Add a payment option. If you want to allow customers to book or pay for services, you can use Weebly's payment options like Square or create custom buttons with PayPal or other payment providers. Simply drag the button element to your page, link it to the payment gateway, and add service pricing. Publish your services. After adding your services, click Publish to make your service page live.